So at this point, I don't know what time is it. We're looking at 8:51. Probably been out here since like 5:06. 5:06, 8:51. It ain't been 4 hours. It's about to be 4 hours out here. Hold on 1 second. Hopefully I can drop this. Need to get my other glove. But at the end of the day, I ain't gonna say it was a total bust. But I learned some lessons out here. Day one. The good news is I really never had a shot today so far. The other good news is I saw some deer within close quarters. Turned out to be two. I was tracking one for a while, and that one done led me to two. It was slick. It was right over behind me, like right here. But I was watching them from this side. So we talking about like right there. Probably came across here going this way. No, my bad. They came from down. Cause they came around this way, then came down that way. The one did. Led me to one back there early in the morning, probably. If I got out here 5:06, maybe wasn't out here for 10 minutes. Had to be some before 5:30. Before 5:30, something came out right about. I'm just gonna show y'all the field area. Came out from right about there. Came across. Listen to it. Right now, the sun wasn't even up. Sun over there. Sun was all the way. Not even down there. Sun rose from right here. This right here was just a little bit pink. Barely. I could see that the stars just started fading right here. Where it's light, the stars just started fading. Everything from this blue all the way up was pitch black. Beautiful sky. I can't tell you how many stars I seen last night or this morning. My bad. Beautiful sky. But back to the story. Came across there. Came across that field. It's like right there. I don't know. Can't show you. Track back here. I can barely see it. Sun start coming up. By the time now, I can see that deer about here. Oh yeah. Feel like I can see it right about there. Somewhere in this vicinity. I think I'm hitting it right. Right there. Came back around here. That's when I saw it too. I was like, yo, there's another one. sudden I'm like, I don't have a shot though. I'm like, I don't have a shot though. So after that now, watch him. One go up the hill, head towards where mom and them. The other one went like back in the bush over here. I think so. Sometime between there. Somebody pop a shot back that way. I'm trying to think, if it was back this way, could have been Papa Dukes and them. I feel like it came over there where we found that other tree stand the other day. That's what I think. So man's out there hunting on that side. So at this point, I'm like, okay, I need to get ready, you know? Shots is falling off. Over there, I think I heard another one before I started. Okay, let me check my sights. Because I saw this, caught it over my shoulder, was slow moving, didn't have enough time, came around, started coming. I know I started adjusting. I think I still was trying to get it on this side. Because this is where I was tracking and I'm turning this way. It's gone now. It's got to come back. You hear me? You know, you smell me? You feel me? It got to come back. It got to come back this way right here. Because it's where it woke up over yonder, somewhere on that side. Don't know when it got to stepping this morning. Coming back. Y'all know I went to go check my... But at the end of the day, it's my fault. I'm ain't gonna hold you up. I had a failure. I don't know what I'm looking at. That's the thing. You got for. At that point in time, this thing right here failed. Hit the little light. Light come on. 2-3 seconds. I'm getting my sight in right. I might have even checked it earlier. That might even been what happened. Checked it earlier. Went through this thing right here. Battery went dead. Bottom line. So now I see some deer. Check my sight. Sight no good. I hit the button. It come back on. It cut off. I hit the button. Come back on. Cut off. You know I did a field strip. Well, first I tried to change the batteries. See? You call yourself carrying extra, but you ain't check your supplies. So, it's about 3 of these. Take it out, trying to work. Don't work. Put the new ones in, don't work. So I ended up having to bust the whole thing down. Had to go ahead and take this off. Had to go ahead and take this off at the end of the day. That's about to I ain't about to mess with this either. So that's done. That's done. Now I'm at the bead. Let's see if we can see something here. See, now we at the bead though. But it's all good. I'm gonna show you. This is where you gotta hit the bead at. So let me see if I can. And yes, I'm safe handling, y'all. Safety's on. Alright. It is loaded though, so it is hot, because at the end of the day, that's where I'm at. But look. Safety's on. Okay. But anyway. So that right there, that's the bead. You get to see that. At this point, I'm like, I'm gonna put the bead on her. Ain't got nothing else, so that's where we at. Man, I ain't seen that. Must have heard 3 shots so far. Might even heard 4. I don't even think none of them did gonna make it back. All of them I ain't got though. It's all good. 3's a charm. So this is day 1. Saturday. November what? Saturday the 29th. Day after. 2 days after. The Saturday after. Second time that chopper passed. That's this way over there. What's going on? There are bases and stuff out here anyway, so. Medevac, hello. So yeah, at that point it's the bead, and now I'm at the point where, listen, if I see something, I'm gonna take the shot. Maybe I'm scaring them away. Maybe they already gone. So I've been talking about 15 minutes now. So, maybe I done, maybe I done pushed them away or whatnot. But at this point in time, I don't really have much of a choice. So, no, I do. Come with you a little bit longer. Tell you one thing. Yeah. Oh, this right here. Oh, we about to change the. I'm about to put the other scope. And old Pops was telling me early that sometimes he might put the flashlight on him. See, half of me, I didn't want to put the flashlight on this, but what it's gonna be, it's probably gonna be the flashlight. I'm gonna change to the Leupold scope. My lips is frozen, I can't even speak. I'm about to change to my other scope, or to a scope. Rock the scope, hit the flashlight, because at this point in time, same thing. Right when they was coming up out of this field right here, it still was one deer. I don't think two of them came up out here. They, met their partner on the other side of something. Maybe the buck that smashing or something, I don't know. But at this point, I could almost even just stand up right here, turn, hit it with the light, get the deer in the headlights, just get the chest, the lung, the heart. Because it was right here. I couldn't have been no further than this right here. Anyway, if it come the same way, I'm gonna try to get it between here. Hopefully I don't get caught by them trees. I got a little spot right here. Hit the window. Catch him here. I need to go find another can because it's over there. And if I got to, I have to find a way to hit this right here, right behind this tree. I might have to be standing up at this point. So I really got to lean on that harness. I blast myself out the tree. Yeah, I see them cartoons where the shotgun be blowing people back. Oh man. That's where we at. So what time are we at now? 9:10. 9:10 this Saturday. Let's see what's happening. All right, I'll catch you.